App relationships is one of the most important and powerful features in Podio. Creating app relationships is the key to building processes and visualizing how your work is organized. For this example, I'll show you how relationships works in the context of a recruiting use case, but hopefully in a way that will explain how the feature works for however you're using Podio. In this workspace, I have a job openings app and a candidates app. What links them together is an app relationship. If I go to the candidates app and look at a candidate, I can see they're applying for the job of designer. This is the app relationship field. It's linking this candidate to the designer opening that we have in the job openings app. When I click Modify Template to expose the template that makes up this app, I see the field here and how it's been linked to the job openings app. This becomes useful when I go to the job openings app, where everything is recorded about an opening, and I can see at the bottom of each opening all the candidates that have applied for it. In the same way this works, you could use it to see all the deliverables related to a project, or all the sales made to a client, and so forth. Going back to the candidates app, this app is also used to collect job applications from our company's website via the web form, and then they can be reviewed inside of Podio. When I go to the App Settings menu and select Web Form, you can see how this is set up. And now I'll just open the form in another tab. If I were completing this form to apply for a job, I'd select from the App Relationship field the job opening that I want to apply for. But right now, I've got a list of all the items in the job openings app. That's all the openings we've ever had, even though we're only hiring for 2 of them right now. So I go back into Podio, and I need to create a view that will filter the possible choices in this field, so users of my form can only see the open job openings. To do this, I go to the job openings app and apply a filter, so only positions that are not categorized as closed are visible. I'll save this as a team view called Open Positions. Now I go to the Candidates app and modify the app's template. As I pointed out a minute ago, this is the app's relationship field, and when I click Choose an App, you can see that the field will show all items from the job openings app. I'll change this so it only shows items that fit into the view I just created. So now when I go back to the form, you can see here that it's now only possible to select the 2 job openings that are actually open right now. This same functionality works inside of Podio too, not only when using an app's web form. That's the basics of app relationships, and you've also seen how you can run recruiting on Podio. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to write to us at help.podio.com. Thanks for watching.